Don't forget to turn on YouTube captions now and choose your language for instant translations. Say. He says hello every morning. Said. She said goodbye. Said. I have said that before. Set. He sets the table. Set. She set the alarm. Set. I have set the date. Shake. He shakes hands with clients. Shook. She shook the bottle. Shaken. The bottle has been shaken. Shine. The sun shines brightly. Shone. The stars shone last night. Shone. The moon has shone all night. Shoot. He shoots at the target. Shot. The soldier shot the enemy. Shot. I have shot some arrows. Shut. He shuts the door quietly. Shut. She shut the windows. Shut. I have shut the computer. Sing. She sings beautifully. Sang. He sang a song. Sung. They have sung together. Sleep. The baby sleeps peacefully. Slept. He slept early last night. Slept. I have slept well. Spend. He spends a lot of money. Spent. She spent a week in Paris. Spent. I have spent all my savings. Steal. He steals a car. Stole. She stole my idea. Stolen. I have stolen nothing. Swim. He swims in the pool. Swam. She swam across the lake. Swum. I have swum in the ocean. Tear. He tears the paper. Tore. She tore the letter. Torn. I have torn my shirt. Throw. He throws the ball. Threw. She threw a stone. Thrown. I have thrown the trash. Wake. He wakes up early. Woke. She woke up late. Woken. I have woken up already. Wear. She wears a red dress. Wore. He wore a suit. Worn. I have worn this before. Win. He wins the game. Won. She won the race. Won. I have won a prize. Feed. She feeds the cat. Fed. He fed the birds. Fed. I have fed the dog. Forgive. He forgives easily. Forgave. She forgave him. Forgiven. I have forgiven her. Freeze. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. Froze. The lake froze. Frozen. I have frozen the meat. Lend. He lends me his car. Lent. She lent me some money. Lent. I have lent him my book. Light. He lights a candle. Lit. She lit the fire. Lit. I have lit the lamp. Prove. He proves his point. Proved. She proved her skills. Proven. I have proven my case. Quit. He quits smoking. Quit. She quit her job. Quit. I have quit drinking soda. Stick. He sticks the paper on the wall. Stuck. She stuck the sticker. Stuck. I have stuck the note. Admire. He admires great artists. Admired. She admired the view. Admired. I have admired his work. Advise. She advises her students. Advised. He advised me to rest. Advised. I have advised him before. Announce. He announces the winner. Announced. She announced her engagement. Announced. They have announced the news. Apologize. She apologizes for the mistake. Apologized. He apologized yesterday. Apologized. I have apologized already. Approve. He approves the request. Approved. She approved the idea. Approved. I have approved your plan. Argue. They argue about politics. Argued. She argued with her boss. Argued. We have argued enough. Arrest. The police arrest the thief. Arrested. They arrested the suspect. Arrested. He has been arrested. Attach. She attaches a file. Attached. He attached the document. Attached. I have attached my CV. Avoid. He avoids fast food. Avoided. She avoided eye contact. Avoided. We have avoided traffic. Bake. She bakes a cake. Baked. He baked some cookies. Baked. I have baked a pie. Beg. He begs for help. Begged. She begged for mercy. Begged. I have begged for a chance. Behave. He behaves politely. Behaved. She behaved well. Behaved. They have behaved nicely. Blame. She blames him for the mistake. Blamed. He blamed me unfairly. Blamed. I have blamed myself. Borrow. He borrows a book. Borrowed. She borrowed my pen. Borrowed. I have borrowed money. Cancel. He cancels the meeting. Cancelled. She cancelled the flight. Cancelled. I have cancelled my plans.